Hello good people, I'm going to look at different ways that we can express the same concentration. In this example, I'm going to use erythromycin. It is an antibacterial drug that can be used to treat respiratory tract infections as well as chlamydia and syphilis. The question is asking us what is the concentration of a 5.25 milliliter solution that contains 175 milligrams of the drug. And here I'm going to demonstrate 4 different ways to express this concentration. I'm going to begin by expressing the concentration as given. This means taking the mass of the solute and dividing it by the volume of solution. And so I will have 175 milligrams divided by 5.25 milliliters, and that will give me 33.3 milligrams per milliliter, rounded to 3 significant figures. Next, I'm going to express the concentration as percent weight volume. This time I have to be careful. The mass has to be in grams and the volume has to be in milliliters. This means that my 175 milligrams become 0.175 grams divided by 5.25 milliliters, and the whole thing is multiplied by 100. And that will give me 3.33%. What do I need to do for parts per million? Here, the mass is in milligrams and the volume is in liters. This means that I will have 175 milligrams divided by 0.00525 liters. And that will give me 33,300 parts per million when rounded to 3 significant figures. Lastly, I'm going to express this concentration using molarity. Recall that the formula for molarity is number of moles divided by volume in liters. Right now, I do not have the number of moles, but I have the volume and I can convert it to liters. In order to finish this calculation, I need to determine the number of moles first. Here is my formula for number of moles. Mass divided by molar mass. Recall that for this to work, the mass needs to be in grams. And so I will have 0.175 grams divided by the molar mass of erythromycin, which happens to be 733.937 grams per mole. And that will give me 0.000238 moles when rounded to 3 significant figures. Now that I have my number of moles, I can calculate the molarity. And unless my calculator is lying to me, it is 0.0453 moles per liter when rounded to 3 significant figures. Note that all 4 of these results are a valid way of expressing a concentration. Which one we choose to use depends on the context and the question itself. That is all for now, and I will see you on the flip side.